set, go.
Well, I went to Old West Cafe today, and my friend said, hey, what you gonna eat? I said, I want to eat me some cinnamon toast. Give me some cinnamon toast. You're confusing me. I'm having trouble flowing with your beat. Eggs over medium, I said, I want that. And then I said, I want a big cat. But they didn't give it to me. They said, no. I decided to go to the show, but then I didn't. I said, no seat. And then I had a big piece of meat. Yeah. It was good. I said it was fun on my hood. So are you with me in the hood? Say it was really, really good. So are you with me in the hood?
Cheer the hood.
So are you with me in the hood?
In the hood.
It was really good.
It was really good.
I had me some cinnamon toast today, and I had you to imagine it was really, really yummy. I think that was some coffee with some cream. I had a dream about the cream. It was really mean. So, where am I going? How many minutes do I have? Give me some flow. Thank you. Oh, no. Oh, yeah. So, are you with me in the hood? So, it was really, really good.
Everybody say waffle fries. Everybody say waffle fries.